A top improvement.
Yeah, brilliant improvement. So we have diagnostic laptops, and before they would have been sitting in a drawer somewhere. Were they on charge? Were they not on charge? Was all the equipment that it needed with them or not? So we came up with this idea. It's evolved over time, but we got boxes. So laptops now sit inside in the boxes with everything that you need for diagnostics. So the laptop is there, our PCI cable is there. We actually have these little USB as well. They have to be in the laptop to communicate with the truck. If it's not, it doesn't work.
You've been using Kanbans cards for that.
Exactly. Yeah. So you know where it is. Workshop drawers, laptop one, Scania has a little label on it as well. So prior to this, you would have picked it up out of a drawer. Was it charged? Was it not charged? Was the USB there? Where was the VCI? So now it's all in one box, and it all stays together. So when you pick the box out, you know what's in. The other thing about this, which is very clever, is the charging. So you can see in the back here, there's little connectors, so you don't have to plug it in. The connector is on the back of the box.
Wow, like that's so cool.
So all done here to verify your CI, and then you push it in, and once you push it in, light goes green, you know it's on charge.
That is so cool, mate.
Number 2 will only fit in slot number 2, number 3, again the bit pokey-okey, where they will only charge in their slots, so that you don't get them mixed up, because we had a mixture of laptops, and of course one brand of charger will not charge the other, so that was a clever idea.
That is super neat.
Grab and go.
Great stuff.